first song that we tried to play, it literally broke the windshield up.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
So he has 6 10-inch American bass HDs on a 22K VFL. He has 240 amp hour C-Max for power. He has 2 10s, 2 8s, 2 horns and 6 tweeters in each back door. Wow. In each window pod he has 4 8-inch, 2 horns and 4 tweeters per window.
Did you build this?
Yeah.
Did you help at all?
Yeah, he did.
All right.
So this was his little summer project.
Oh, you're happy with it?
Yeah, I'm more than happy. I'm overwhelmed.
I would not be happy about this, but at least is your first windshield break?
No.
No?
They broke like 4 of them already.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's
We're
crazy.
kind of on our street right
So
now.
you're cracking the window with 10s.
Yeah.
It's all about the
little
box.
baby 10.
Yeah.
So this is a ported box, tuned to 32 hertz.
Okay.
It's two. Yeah, it's basically 2 ported boxes.
So this is a chamber here,
Yes,
and then this is a chamber below.
correct.
And you did that for bracing purposes or just the design
So
layout?
the size-wise, I had to put 3 subs per chamber because if I did like little divisions in between, it would have cut off too much of the cubes that I needed for this.
Got it.
So I wanted it at a certain spot so you had more output.
Okay. Is there a way I can see the amp in the back? Battery bank and all? It's hidden underneath?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Y'all got all of that hidden. You didn't have to do all of this work for me.
I wanted to show you.
Y'all can keep it up. Just keep it up.
Just keep it up easy.
Yeah, just keep it up. Wow. Do y'all have any fans or anything down here yet, or y'all still
Not
working?
as yet, we're still working on it.
Okay.
But he's definitely gonna have at least 2 of the turbine fans, 2
Yeah.
to 4 of them.
Wow. And you still can have your trunk space
Yeah.
and still get all that power.
Yes.
That's crazy. Is that what you wanted to have some room?
Yeah, because like, say for example, if you're going on adventures like this.
Yeah, you need some room, yeah.
Same time you're gonna have fun.
Yeah. So how is the subs wired to this big amp?
So all of them right now, all 6 of them are wired to 0.6.
Okay. Sorry.
So a little over half ohm.
And then on your speakers are tweeters.
So tweeter, horn, mids. We have DSPs there to control everything, crossovers.
Man, y'all got a lot of work down here. Okay. That big old lithium bank. Wow. Thank you for showing me. That's awesome.
No problem.
I like that idea. That'll give somebody an idea.
Oh yeah, for sure. His dad didn't want to hear. He didn't have no trunk space at all. All right.
Yeah. Well, you got your space, so
Yeah.
you're just gonna have to take stuff out to work on it.
Oh yeah.
Looks really good.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Did you build in the vehicle, or did you kind of slide?
So the 2 boxes are built outside the vehicle, but when they're put in, and there's a whole bunch of
Connect
two
them
panels
together?
to seal it.
Got it. I'll keep this,
Yeah, you can put it back.
there you go. I'll get right here. Wow. So this just happened like what, a couple hours ago? Or?
Yeah, literally the first song that we tried to play, it literally broke the windshield up.
Man, you're gonna have to do something up.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
So whose is this?
This is his.
What's your name?
My name's Shiva.
Shiva. All right. Wow.
Right now,
Still that same nigga that used to front your big brother. Found out he a bitch too now. I call him your big sister, bitch. You beefing with a pipe.
got so much money on me, I can't count no more. Down below. Down below. Oh, oh, down below. Down below. Down below. Roddy Ricch, yeah, I do.
That's crazy. Y'all broke this yesterday?
Just now.
Oh, really? Man.
And I didn't even expect it to.
And you didn't turn it up, or was it up?
No, it was a little lower than that.
Oh, man.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop